Maths, actually, it's fucking working. Working 1 Bitcoin for free for just 1 fucking minute. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Devik Myers, and I'm back with through almost 5 years of experience. So today I will show you how you can drop 1 Bitcoin for free. For free, yeah. Follow my steps. First, we go create-hatch.com. Remember that. Sign up. Alright, username, real name. Alright, create the password, please. Need to be strongest password. Alright, guys, please, strongest. Alright, don't forget about the captcha. Right, agree, sign up. And yeah, guys, easy peasy, right? It's totally easy. Yeah, just follow me. Alright, now we all use the protocol. And today, our promo for 1 Bitcoin. Seen beat 9 coin. Saying beat 9 coin. Actually, I see. Alright, activate it. Bah! Good, good. 1 Bitcoin on balance. Alright, now we want to withdraw. Okay, go to Ego. Okay, Bitcoin, just for your address, wallets. Yeah, 1 Bitcoin. We don't know, and we see self-verification. Yeah, it's normal everywhere. Every, Binance, every stuff. Here, I choose the USDT. Alright, $50. $50. Alright. We need to copy the address here and go with your wallet. I use the Tata Wallet Exchange. Alright, but it doesn't matter. What wallet do you use? Binance, Creep, I don't give a shit. Yeah, I use that one. I like it. Alright, with the wallet number, it's $50 by up with that $100. Alright. Alright, requested. And we need to go back to CryptoHash. Yeah, I see in the history. Yeah, $100. Go back to CryptoHash and just finalize. That's it. Boom! Completed. And we're waiting. I go into yes, by years completed. Yeah, 1 Bitcoin. Yeah, it's something fucking big, right? I see in my balance and I wanted to like. No, actually, it's fucking working. Working 1 Bitcoin for free for just 1 fucking minute. Oh shit, guys. And I'm happy for that. And you know what? I coming back next couple days, maybe tomorrow. I try to find some stuff, some free repo stuff. And yeah, I will show you next time. And I'll be back. And remember, if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'm on. See you next time. Bye.